Okay, welcome back, guys. Welcome again. So you're welcome to the part 2 of the Untold Truths about Forex and binary trading. So many people have been asking me which is more profitable, which one can I do, which is more easier. So I've been unmaxing and I've been unveiling so many things about Forex and binary trading. So far, I've talked about different factors you need to consider: the time factor, the risks and emotion, the profitability, your location, and all that. So, in the part 1, we stopped at the location factor, which have been said, how you can determine which is more profitable or which is more better for you to do because of your location. So, moving on further, the next factor and very important factor you need to consider before you could actually choose between binary and forex, it's the technical skill set. Okay, I'm going to dwell on this. Make sure you stick with me to the end of this video because there are so much to learn. And if you have not hit the like button, please just take 1 second of your time, hit the like button now. Okay, have you done that? And then if it's your first time, do have to hit subscribe. So for binary, talking about the skill set, for binary option, the technical skill sets seem easier in analysis and it's quite beginner friendly. Yeah, because like I said, some of you came into this business because of those their adverts. They'll post on YouTube, on different places, and you see them. They say, I bought iPhone trading binary option for 2 weeks. I bought a new car. I made such money. And you get excited. And they portray it to you as if it's a game you just come and play on your phone. And if you place higher, you win. You were like, it's so easy to win dollars. So, but that's not really what it means. But like I said, the analysis, it's quite beginner friendly in binary option. You can actually do your analysis even though you don't have a lot experience about the market. So you can carry out short-term analysis and trading. In binary, you just come. Some of you work with only the 1 minute time frame, the 1 minute chart, and you place trade and go. Yeah, it's quite possible you can just trade one or place 1 or 2 or 3 trades on the short term, do a little analysis, and you can trade. So, but binary option requires what we call fast process oriented thinking, POT. If you're predicting the next candle or you're placing some trades, you need to develop what we call process oriented thinking. So, when you're looking at the market, you need to be thinking on the spot. Everything that happens in the market, you need to be able to tell yourself what that means. What is this candle telling you? Why is the market doing this? That's what we call process oriented thinking. You're thinking part time in what the price is doing. So that requires a fast process oriented thinking. And then talking about the skill sets, candlestick analysis is the order of the day. For binary option, it's not line charts, it's not bar charts, it's candlestick charts. So you have to understand candlesticks and understand candlestick psychology and analysis because that's the order of the day. Because the candles are going to tell you what the market is saying, what the price is about doing, and all that. So if you don't understand candlestick psychology or analysis, do have to come for knowledge. I have a mentorship where I can teach you more about that. So moving on to Forex, Forex requires a more advanced knowledge and a great deal, mark that word, a great deal of understanding, okay? A great deal of understanding about the market. You don't just stay in short time frame and predict the market. You cannot just come in, use 1 minute, draw a few lines and trade Forex. No, no, no. Forex is not like that. Forex requires a great deal of understanding about the market. You can't come there and gamble. You can't come to Forex and gamble. So you need to understand things like what we call the market order flow, economic events. You need to be aware about economic events. You need to understand what we call interest rates and interest rate differentials of currency. There are many more COT data, commitment of traders. There are so many lots and so many things you need to understand about the economy and the Forex market. So that's not really a beginner friendly thing whereby you can just come with a little experience and start trading and start making money. Okay, so you need a lot of experience. And little analysis on candlestick patterns. Yeah, like I said, this is an untold truth about Forex and binary trading. So if you've been trading Forex with candlestick patterns analysis, looking at Morningstar, looking at all those are craps. All those are craps. You can't work without. You can't become profitable using candlestick patterns or candlestick charts in Forex. I'm telling you the truth. Nobody's going to tell you this. So we use candlestick charts, yes, but little analysis on the candlestick chart or patterns, or sorry, on the candlestick patterns. Little. We don't use candlestick psychology in Forex. You don't come there and start looking at the dodgy, Maribosa, all those shit. You don't do that in Forex. So what we do, we use more of multi-time frame analysis. What I mean by multi-time frame analysis, you do a drop-down analysis from the monthly chart, the weekly chart, okay, the daily chart. You do monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hours to 1 hour. You do what we call proper multi-time frame analysis before you can actually know the market direction, understand the market order flow, and place your trade. So Forex requires, like I said, an advanced knowledge and a great deal of understanding about the market. It's not like binary option whereby you just come, do little things, and trade. So with all those factors, with these factors being considered, I hope you're going to check again. If you've been thinking Forex is more better, you might want to check binary, but let's move on. That's not all. There are still more you need to know. So the next factor I'm going to be talking about, it's broker. Yeah, broker is another essential thing you need to consider when choosing between binary option and Forex. So in binary option brokers are not regulated. They are just trusted. I said they are not regulated, they are just trusted. Now, the difference I'm going to explain to you. Binary option brokers are just trusted in the sense that they have some social proof that they are reliable. But what I mean by regulated is that they are registered in your country's financial authority. Now, regulated and trusted are two big different things. But let me move on. I'm going to explain more about that. So, we just use binary option brokers because we trust them and we see their advertisement, and we claim we feel that they are comfortable to trade, or their platforms are okay to trade on. So, no physical presence. They don't have physical presence in binary option. Binary option brokers, they lack physical presence. What I mean by physical presence, they don't have offices. Okay, in case of any complication that might arise, they don't have offices in your local vicinity. You don't know where the broker office is or their head office. I think I know the one for IQ option. IQ option have a physical presence, but I think is located at London or so, but it's just located at one place. It's not like the Forex brokers. I'm going to talk more on that as we go on, but no physical presence in your nearby location where you can go for if you have any complication that might arise. I think Forex has, in Forex, I'm going to explain more of that. So, talking about brokers in Forex, Forex has more of regulated brokers. Okay, than just trusted. They make sure all their services are rendered effectively because they are regulated, so they can't just do away with people's money, or they can't just, do things the way they like it. So they are regulated. They have to obey the financial laws of the country. So they are regulated by the country's financial agency. Example of these financial agencies are like the Financial Conduct Authority in UK. So any forex broker that wants to operate in UK must be registered under this Financial Conduct Authority in UK, because they have legal documents. They are being approved to bring their services there. Another one is the Financial Service Commission of Mauritius. So FCM in your country, I think every country has their own financial conduct authority or financial service agencies and all that. In my country, we do have one, and which my broker, the broker that I use, is regulated in my country. Okay, and they have physical presence in most countries. The broker I use, like I said, this is not an investment advice, but I'm not doing affiliate marketing here. I'm just saying it's Handtech Market. If you want to sign up, you can still check the link in the description. It's a very good broker. So it's Handtech Market. They have a physical presence in my state, in my country. They have a physical presence whereby I go to their offices, I meet their technical support team. If I have any issues in my account, anything, you can actually meet, what I mean is that you can actually meet someone one-on-one and tell your problem. It's not like binary option brokers whereby you start telling their support team. It's left for them to reply you. So if they don't reply you, I don't know. That's up to you. But in Forex, you have specialties. You can go to the offices. I'm sure some of you in your own country, your Forex broker might have a physical presence whereby you can actually come and do something. And Forex is quite a large business. It's large. So that's what I'm talking about when it comes to broker. Okay, so that's it. So you're still asking, some of you might still be confused, Kenny, between Forex. I've looked at all the factors. I'm still confused on which one I should do. So you're like, so what should I do? Okay, I'm going to answer you. Now, the truth is that no YouTuber or anyone can make decisions for you, not even me. Okay, I can actually make decisions for you to major in Forex or to major in binary. Life and investing is a personal and intentional journey. Mark that word, intentional. Because even at the start of this video, I told you it's not an investment advice. I put a disclaimer out there because it's about you taking the full responsibility of everything. Okay, so I can't tell you, hey, go into Forex and tomorrow you're not making profit and you start, holding me responsible that I was the one that lured you into Forex or maybe binary. So you have to look at it. Look at the factors I've outlined in this video. Spend time and choose between the Forex and binary, which one it's more convenient for you to trade. But I'm still going to talk more about it. So compare the factors I've outlined here and make a choice. And you're like, Kenny, can I do both? Oh, yes, you can. Yes, I do both. Me, I trade Forex and binary. Okay, I trade all. I trade anything tradable. I trade them. I trade crypto. I trade stocks. So yes, you can do both. if you have what it takes. Now, like I said, notes, if you have what it takes. Okay? Yes, you can do both if you have what it takes. So, some people might claim they have what it takes. Some people might claim what is all there. I can still trade. I can use the knowledge I have, or I can still be doing what I'm doing. Now, let me just bring your attention to this. There's a very profound quote by Ed Sakota, one of the great guys in this industry. He said, win or lose, everybody gets what they want from the market. Some people seem to like to lose, so they win by losing money. I come again. He said, some people seem to like to lose, so they win, yes, by losing money. So for you to go into this business, you have to investigate. You have to spend time to understand it. Okay, you have to spend good amount of time to understand it so that you don't win by losing money. Okay, so you're still asking, so what does it take? Like I said, some of you might be thinking of doing both, or some of you might be thinking of going into Forex or binary. Now, what does it take? Yes, so I will say you should relax. First, relax, relax, relax. Now, the number one thing that it takes to be profitable in binary or in Forex trading is the right knowledge. I've said this before in one of my videos, and I'm still going to say it again. It might sound so, it might not sound good for some people. It might sound rough. It might not sound pleasant, but I'm still always going to tell you the truth. That's what I live for to do. I tell myself that there is a lot of scam out there in the internet and the world, and I knew how it took me. I knew how long it took me to. I knew how long it took me to get the right information about this business, and I did as much as possible. After getting the right information and getting results, I created my own channel just to prove that this business is real. Okay, so if you're thinking I'm one of those regular guys, please and please, sincerely, you're wrong. Okay, you're wrong. I can't come here trying to scam people. So many people think that making money is about going in the wrong way, but I'm not a fan of that. You can actually make money by scamming people, or deceiving people, luring people to go into things that you don't care about, but you can actually build wealth. Now let me write that down for some of you that don't know this. I don't know why I'm going into this, but it's just an advice for other people. You can't build wealth in the wrong way. Okay, you can actually make some short-term money by doing fake things, but if you want to be wealthy in life, I'm telling you, you can't do it the wrong way. So I'm not here to push people in the wrong way, and I'm not claiming that. I'm trying to tell you that I will always live to tell you the real truth in anything you're doing. Okay, so the first thing you need to have is the right knowledge. The second thing that it takes is the right knowledge. I don't know, I can't just stop saying this because I know how the right knowledge has really helped me in this business. There are so many crafts out there. Some of you come on YouTube, searching. There are so many crafts out there. And I can't still come here and still, I don't know, but sincerely, you need the right knowledge. The third point, you need the right knowledge. Forget about what you know. Forget about what you think you know. Forget about all the things you've been learning. You need the right knowledge in this business. And then after, you can balance it up with risks and money management and with the right psychology. You can balance it up with risks and money management with the right psychology after getting the right knowledge. Then the last point is that marvel not, you must have a mentor. Marvel not, you must have a mentor. It might not be good or it might not be pleasing for you, but like I said, this is the untold truth about Forex and binary trading. Some of you think you can just come on YouTube, watch YouTube videos, and you start trading and making money. Like I said, you must have a mentor. Who is your mentor in Forex? Who is your mentor in binary trading? Some of you don't understand when the analogy behind mentorship. Now, let me give you the analogy behind mentorship. If you have a mentor that has about 20 years experience in Forex market, let me say Forex for an example, and you enrolled on his mentorship program. Now, do you know what that means for you? As a beginner, you enroll on somebody's mentorship program that has about 20 years experience in the business. Okay? That means you are starting as a beginner with 20 years experience. Imagine somebody that has a 20 years experience doing a mentorship and you join that mentorship. That means all the things he has learned for 20 years, that's what he's giving you. He's shorting all the years you're going to use in searching for YouTube videos, in searching for the right information, in filtering all the toxic content that is in the internet. So sincerely, I would advise you get a mentor in Forex, in binary, but the people that are teaching you with the right knowledge. Note that, like I said, the right knowledge. Don't forget, you need the right knowledge. So there are so many mentors too that are teaching people with the wrong knowledge. There are so many mentors that are teaching people with the wrong information. Okay, so you need the right knowledge and the right mentor. You need a mentor. I'm telling you the truth. Till today, I still communicate with my students. I still give them support. I still, I'm with them. It's a lifetime thing. So you need a mentor. Please and please, you need a mentor, okay, that you can run back to when you have problems. If you have any issues, mentor will guide you on the potholes that they fell inside, and they will guide you not to fall inside such holes. So that's why mentorship is really, really important, and having a mentor is very, very important to do, and is required for you to be successful in this business. So let me give you the summary now. Let me give you the summary of the whole things I've said here. If you're willing to reduce risks, maximize profits in the long run, then you might consider Forex. I come again. If you're willing to reduce risks, maximize profits in a long run, then you might consider Forex. But if you're willing to risk more, okay, you're willing to risk more and maximize profits in a short period, then you can consider binary option. If you're willing to risk more and maximize profits in a short period, then you can consider binary option. So any which one, it depends. We all are different. Since we have different thinking, we have different pattern of doing things. So any which one that is good for you, you can choose. So some of you might be asking, Kenny, what's the right knowledge? How do I know I have the right knowledge? How do I know I have the right mentor? So that's what I'm going to show you now, the pathway to success. Let me review to you the pathway to success in this business. Now note, if you learn Forex or binary and you are being taught to use the following to forecast market direction, then I'm going to tell you the hard truth that you've been doing it the wrong way. Okay? I know it's going to sound so bitter to some of you, but like I said, this is the untold truth about Forex and binary trading. That's why I gave it that title. If you've been doing this, trading binary option, or you're being taught by your mentor, let me outline them now. If you depend on support and resistance, you're wrong. If you depend on support and resistance to predict or forecast market direction, whether in binary, whether in Forex, you're in the wrong place. If you use trend lines, oh my God, you're in the wrong place. You're wrong. If you hope on indicators, that's the worst. You're wrong. You're in the wrong place. If you're trading with indicators, whether in Forex or binary, you're in the wrong place. If you use Elliott wave, you're wrong. If you use chart patterns, some of these funny chart patterns I see in Forex, you see cats, you see bats, you see different animal. I say, what's all this? The market is not an animal kingdom. There are so many double bottom, double top, head and shoulder, all those are craps. If you have not heard them, you've heard them today. You can't be profitable in the long run using all those things to analyze the market direction. If you depend on robots or automated systems, I'm still telling you, you're wrong. So some of you might like, what is this guy saying? Is this true? Is it? That's why you've been losing money. I'm here to tell you the truth now, that if you hope on all these things, I've outlined here to trade or to focus market direction, you're wrong. If these are what you're using to predict price movements, you won't last long in this business. Like I said, you might make profits. Now note, don't misquote me, please. You can make profit with all this. Okay? You can make profits, but you won't be profitable. Now, I think that's something I'm going to explain in one of my videos. You can make little profit in the short term. Yes, I made $1,000. I made this one. You can make profit, yes. But I tell you the truth, in the long run, you find that anything you do will not be working. There are some of you that you might have been trading with all these things for some months. But after some period of time, you find out that anything you do, you're losing money. Anything you trade, you're losing money. That's the truth. You can't last long using all those things. So you can make profit in short term, but in the long run, I strongly doubt if you'll be profitable. So let me show you some of my Forex setups and some few things I've been doing in Forex. I know I've not been showing things about Forex in this my YouTube channel, but if you observe if you observe my channel banner, you still see I put Kenny in Forex and binary trading. So I still do Forex. I do almost everything. So yeah, some of my Forex setup that I've done in the past that I think I should share with you so that you can actually see a clear picture of what I'm saying. So this is an hourly chart of gold. So don't bother about the terms, you won't understand, but just look at what I'm saying here. Let's look at what I'm trying to explain. So my prediction for this market was to come down here around this level. You can see I always put my price tag. I drew this line. This is not a trend line, no, please. This is not a trend line. I drew this line for the market to run and fill up this place, I drew that yellow rectangle. So this was my analysis for this market. This was the before chart, and this is the after chart. The market traded down exactly at the place I was expecting, had some consolidation, and you can see ran up, and exactly at that point it filled in the level I was expecting, and the market, the price was delivered there. And this is the before and after chart. I post them in my Forex group. I have a Forex group where I post them. And then this is another example. This one, I use Fibonacci tool. Don't bother about the terms. They are not the same with what you know. So, but what I did here, this is a live trade. Please, anything I'm showing you here are live trade. I don't show people demo results. Okay, please, I'm not here to come and deceive anybody with demo results. All these I'm showing you are live trade. I place my buy, my stop loss, and my take profit. So when I do this, I take a screenshot about it of the trade. So my expectation here was very simple. The market was already at the level I wanted, and I took the trade. And my expectation was for the market to run up to this level 1.1840 400. So this was my take profit target. It was a live trade, a 15-minute chart, Euro USD. And then here was the after. You can see the trade exactly at the place I placed the buy. Buyers entered and took off, and the price was delivered exactly at the place I was expecting. Exactly at the point I was expecting the market to reach for, and the price was delivered. And that was the before and after chart I posted. Here is another one. I caught this trade, a short trade. It was a very simple trade. GBP80. This trade lasted for I think 2 days. It was a very simple trade. For the market drop down to this level, this was quite a simple trade. And you can see straight to the profit, straight to the profit. We call it zero drawdown. In Forex, there's what we call zero drawdown. The market went straight to your direction, and exactly at the price tag I placed there, the market came to my direction. Okay, this is the last one. I think this one is going to get you excited. AUD USD, an hourly chart. My analysis was that the market is going to drop down. At this point, this line is going to take off and hit this level and this price above. That was my analysis. That's what we call foresight analysis in the market. And this was the after chart. You can see how the market traded down exactly at the point I drew that line. Exactly there, you can see this candle touched that line and rejected, and from there, buyers started taking the market higher, and the market traded higher and got to the level I placed the line, and the price was delivered. Now, ask me, can any indicator tell you this? If there is one, please tell me. I would like to get it. Can any indicator do this? Did you see trend line here? Did you see chart pattern? I don't know. I want you guys to answer me. Drop your comments. Drop your comments in the video. Drop your comments in the comment section. You can see that before you could analyze the market like this is not luck. Now, some of you might say it's luck. Hey, this is not luck. I'm not lucky here. I'm telling you that I have a great deal of understanding about the market. This is not luck. I'm not lucky here. This is pure, real knowledge, the right knowledge about this market. And sincerely, if you're not doing it this way, I'm sorry to say it, you're doing it the wrong way. Please and please, I'm sorry to say that, but That's the truth. And this was the before and after chart I posted in my group. These days, I don't even take more of these before and after chart because I'm not too interested in them. All I want to do, I just want to make money. I just want to be profitable. I'm not too interested in before and after. I'm not that excited again because the price has nothing to do if it doesn't go my direction. Now, let me tell you, in case you have not heard this, in case you're not aware about this market, okay, this market is being programmed, okay, is driven by AI, artificial intelligence, okay? So there is a script that runs this market. If you don't have that script, I'm telling you, if you don't have that script that is running this market, you're going to struggle. And I can beat my chest and tell you that I have that script. Okay? I know it. So the market is programmed. Zero randomness in price. Everything you see in this market has already been programmed to happen. I know where your stop loss level are. I know where you place your stop loss. So that's what the market makers, they see. And the people that are profitable in this business is the 5% of traders that knows this pattern. The 95% of people that are losing money are the retail traders that are using all these trend line, chart pattern, indicators, all those things. They are the ones that are losing money. Now, in case you don't know, I'm not a retail trader. Okay? I'm not a retail trader. I'm quite different. So that's why you see that my videos are not the same with what you see in other channel. Okay, I think we have come to the conclusion of this video, the untold truths about Forex and binary trading. So I hope you have learned enough. So the whole truth is that, like I talked about the mentorship, you can enroll on any good Forex or binary mentorship program that I've given you. I've outlined the pathway to success. So you make sure that they are not teaching you all those things. If they are teaching you support and resistance, if they are teaching you trend lines, run for your life. That's not the real information. That's not the real information. So if you can't find any good one, you can join mine. If you're interested, you can join my Forex mentorship program. I have my Forex mentorship program and I have my binary mentorship program. Okay, my concepts are universal. My concepts are if I teach you how to trade, in fact, I can't just talk. I don't know. This video is already long. I can't talk more. Interested persons should contact me. If you're interested to learn the real information in Forex or in binary, you do well to contact me. Now, there is a bonus. I'm giving a bonus recently because, like I said, I trade everything. I'm into stocks and I'm into cryptocurrency. I buy Bitcoins, I buy coins, I buy different coins, and I trade them. And I trade stocks. I buy stocks. Just last week, I bought G Motors. There is one stock, I don't know if you know, some of you are aware about it, G Motors. And just about 1 week, this stock rise about 14%. Okay, so the stock rise about 14%. That means if let's say I invested $100, that means I've made $14, 14% out of my money. Cool, no pressure. Now, that's the beauty about stocks investment that some of you don't know. Stocks is not marginal trading like Forex or binary, whereby if the market is not going in your direction, you'll be losing money and all that. In stocks, you don't lose your capital. You don't lose money like that. Okay? In stocks, you buy shares and you hold. For stocks investments, you buy and hold. Okay? You're not trading up and you just buy your stuff and hold it. So that bonus is for anyone that joins my Forex mentorship program. I and my team are going to be giving you good stocks alert that you can be investing. This one, you have everything in control. Okay, you're in control of everything. We'll just send you the alerts. You buy US stocks and hold, and you can start making money with that. Okay, because not everybody can actually trade Forex or binary. Not everybody can actually trade. Some of you are good at investment. The rise of Bitcoin, we made so much money out of it. During the rise of Bitcoin, we invest majorly to in cryptocurrency. So you can actually do all this. Let's say, for example, you have a $500 this year and you want to invest. If I were you, I would advise you use $200 investing in stocks. You can use $100 invest in cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency is a very volatile market. You can actually make 50% of your capital in 1 week or 2 weeks, and that's easy money. You just buy the coin and hold, and if the market accumulates, you make money. Okay, the same thing for stocks. And then the remaining, you can use it to invest in your trading account in maybe binary or Forex, so that even if you lost your money in trading, you still have other money growing for you in your stocks portfolio or in your cryptocurrency, in your e-wallet account. So, oh, sorry, please, this is not an investment advice. Already I have a disclaimer on this video, but I'm just giving you for an example, okay? As an example. So if you're really interested, please, interested persons, I didn't say everybody, interested persons. I don't want people that will come and ask me, Kenny, if I start your mentorship, will I make $1,000? How would I know how much you make from joining my mentorship? Please, I don't need such a question. Interested persons that really want to take the bold step to understanding this market and learn to trade profitably, you can contact me through Telegram, WhatsApp, or email. You can contact me and we'll go on from there. Okay, so I hope this video has been helpful. I'll close with this quote: knowledge is the bridge to a better place. Knowledge is the bridge to a better place. So thanks for your audience. Hope to see you at the top. I wish you all good luck and good trading. So do want to like this video, drop comments, drop your questions. If you have any question, okay, drop your comments and question, if any. And if you have any feedback, you can tell me. Hit the subscribe button if it's your first time. I wish you all good luck and good trading. Peace out. Stay safe. Bye for now.